Well, the question here is, why engage with the Foundation for Climate Restoration? Well, first, I love the fact that our founder, Peter Fiakowsky, is a product of Silicon Valley DNA. Second, he has an extremely talented team led by Rick, Erica, and others who have the capability to create a community of aligned interests from the technology, regulatory, and financial worlds. And three, an intelligent organization that is developing a plan to network all stakeholders committed to a big vision of restoring the climate via a goal that goes much further than net zero and truly is seeking a way to ensure a habitable planet for future generations. I was fortunate enough to participate in the first F4CR forum in 2019 at the UN. I'm impressed with all of the progress that has been made in 1 year. I'm particularly drawn to your efforts to bridge the innovators and the investment communities to advance carbon removal technologies. It is paramount that we quickly advance this movement and at the same time permanently remove carbon from the atmosphere at scale before it's too late. I believe that there are technological solutions that exist in the incubation phase, which will in fact constitute a farm team, so to speak, for venture capital and ESG funds interested in spurring the marketplace. This is certainly not a project that can exist as an island. We must find synergies with like-minded communities around the world. As Rick has often noted, we must work in partnership with all stakeholders committed to restoring the climate. So, bottom line, F4CR must continue to build on the successes of the past year to define where we can best build a valued niche that enables us to apply a catalytic boost to the most vibrant entrepreneurial segments. My guess is that search will lead us to a valued position within the community of incubator, accelerator, and seed funds. There is a well-established need to curate the best and brightest farm team players in the channel downstream to fulfill entrepreneurialism. I look forward to working with F4CR to have even more substantive announcements on this subject at the 2021 forum. Thank you very much for your time.